everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl T. As y'all can tell by the title, I'm about to be doing a wig install from Olymei. Hopefully I'm saying it right. If I'm not, then correct me. But Olymei, they sent me this knotless braided wig. This is the packaging. It's just a black packaging. Okay, so it's just a black packaging. So yes, it is 100% premium synthetic fiber. So it is called Olymei. You can find them on Amazon. Let me show y'all the exact wig that I got. So this is the wig. I think this is 36 inches. So let me get all this off of it. So this is how it's looking, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, it's really soft. It's really soft. The curl pattern, I like it. And then the braids are just neat and everything. Let me show you. So yeah, a wig cap, you aren't gonna need it unless you just color it on top. So put makeup on top of it. I'm not gonna necessarily do a wig cap right now because I don't plan on keeping this on for long because I have to wash my hair and everything. But yeah, this wig is really cute. I love it. So far I like it. It's real soft and the braids is, like I said, it's neat. So y'all, I don't want to do too much talking. So yeah, make sure you subscribe for more videos like this. And yeah, y'all, we're finna get right on with the video. Also, before we move on with the video, they also sent inside the bag, it's my first time opening it. Okay, so they say some little jewel things, as y'all can see. Let me show you. They're like on the braids, the little jewelry. And then they sent some eyelashes. And then they gave me a wig cap with 2 in there. So yeah, y'all, we're gonna get right on to this video. I'm gonna go ahead and braid my hair down. And I'm gonna come back to y'all once my hair is braided down. Alright, y'all, as y'all can see, I got the what is it, the cap on, y'all. I tried my best, y'all. This is really my first time doing this, so yeah. So right now, I messed up right here, got my little hair out on the side, but that's cool. But right now, I'm gonna put the makeup on there, so yeah. So I come back to y'all when it's done. Okay, y'all, so I got it on and everything. So right now, what I'm about to do is, as y'all can tell, it got the baby hairs right here, so I'm gonna melt it down. And yeah, y'all, I'm gonna show y'all. I need to scoot my camera back. Y'all can't stand up and do it because if I stand up too long, baby, I'll pass out. So I'm gonna put this to the back of my head. Put this in the ponytail until I melt this down. Whew. Y'all, one thing about it, I'm tired. Okay, y'all, so hopefully this look right when I'm done. Cause so far I look like a, I'm just playing. No, I don't think this is for me. It's cute wig, but I don't know. But I'll come back to y'all once I'm finished. Okay, y'all, so as y'all can see that I'm finished. This is the finished product of the hair. And let me show you. Yeah, so so this is it, y'all. Like I said, it's cute. It's like triangle parts and everything. So I know y'all can see that right there. But y'all, I couldn't finish because I was out of breath. Like, I couldn't do it like I wanted to because I'm out of breath and I get dizzy when I stand up too long. So yeah, I really just couldn't do it right now. But yeah, this is the finished product. I just gotta cut that off and cut that excess off. I tried my baby hairs, but I'm not too good with baby hairs, so I still gotta practice on those. But overall, it's cute. I got some bags under my eyes. But overall, it's cute, you guys. But overall, it's cute. And yeah, I really recommend getting this hair. It is so soft. It's long. This is 32 inches. It ain't tangling or anything. So you can find them on Instagram. You can find them on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description down below. But yes, y'all, it's cute. I like it. And then also have a band at the back so you can tighten it up. So yeah, this is without it to the side. So yeah, I like it, y'all. Once I get that fixed, I will be rocking this. Thank you. Oh my god, I forgot how to say their name. Thank you, Olymei, for partnering with me and sending me this wig, y'all. I'm so excited. This is really my first sponsorship and I'm so excited, y'all. This is so fun. I can't wait to do this again. And yeah, y'all, look at this. It's really cute. Like, I done went to the shop and get my hair braided, okay? I like this. So y'all, if y'all would like to purchase this wig, like I said, y'all can go ahead and go over to Amazon. I'm leaving the link in the description box down below. And yeah, y'all, see you guys in my next video. Peace.